Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to display each record in a row from Excel. Right-click Robust and start learning. Copy cell value in Excel. Right-click on Robust and edit Learned task. Drag and drop for all rows in Excel action from Activities. Drag and drop message box action from Activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set text property of message box action to point to copied value property of copy profile data action. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.